Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into maximizing productivity with teamwork.com, your guide for 2025. Step 1 is to make full use of the project management tools. Teamwork.com offers a robust suite of tools to help you plan, organize, and manage your projects. Take time to set up your projects correctly, assign tasks to team members, and set deadlines. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone is on the same page and knows what they need to do and when. Now that we've done that, let's move on to step 2, which is leveraging the time tracking feature. This tool isn't just for billing clients, it's also incredibly useful for tracking your team's productivity. By regularly recording time spent on tasks, you can identify potential bottlenecks and areas for improvement. Let me explain why this matters. When you understand where time is spent, you can make better informed decisions about resource allocation and workflow optimization. Next up is step 3, using the Teamwork Chat for communication. This seamless communication tool helps keep your team connected and reduces the need for lengthy email chains or external messaging apps. This helps us because it ensures all communication is centralized, making it easier for everyone to stay in the loop and for information to be found when needed. The fourth step is to integrate your other tools with teamwork.com. The platform integrates with popular apps like Google Drive, Slack, and more. Integrating these tools can save you time by allowing you to access everything you need without leaving the platform. Finally, our fifth step is to regularly review and adjust your processes. Teamwork.com provides comprehensive reports that allow you to analyze your team's productivity. By consistently reviewing these reports, you can identify areas for improvement and adjust your processes accordingly. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Regular review and adaptation ensure that your team is always operating at peak efficiency. So there you have it. With these 5 steps, you'll be able to maximize your team's productivity using teamwork.com. Remember, the key is to make full use of the tools available to you and to always be ready to adjust and improve. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep up the good teamwork.